This article explains how to manage welding consumables within your WeldTrace account. You will learn how to add, import, and organize consumables across projects efficiently. Let's have a look at how to manage welding consumables in your account. Click the Library button to go to the Common Consumables repository. If you want to use the consumables across different projects, you need to load them here. Any consumable that is added to the Common Library will be available in all the projects. You can add one at a time, or you can import the consumables data in a CSV file. You can also use the bulk upload feature to upload the batch certificates at once. And you can export the data into a CSV file. You can view the details of the consumable and the batch certificate. If you have the right privileges, you will be able to edit the details and replace the file. Let's now have a look at how to add consumable to a specific project. If you go to the Consumables menu in a project, you can do exactly the same thing as you would do to a library consumables repository. Any consumable that is added to this repository will be available only for this project. Enter the batch number. You can pick a consumable from the Filler Metals library in WeldTrace. You can sort or use the search function to find the filler metal and pick one to be saved against the welding consumable. Alternatively, you can pick an F number. You can upload the certificate file here. You can enter other details like the manufacturer and the dimensions. Click the Cancel button to exit the current operation without saving changes. Now let's have a look at importing the data in a CSV file. You can download the template and then fill in all the details. If you need to have a look at the knowledge base article, just click here to read the article. Click the Upload Consumable button to start importing consumables in a CSV file. Once you have the data, click here to upload the file. I have a file here that has the list of welding consumables I want to import into this project. The file has been read, and 4 different batch numbers are listed. The import interface has reported no errors. If there are any errors, the cells will be highlighted in red. Also, the Create button will be disabled. Once you click the Create button, the consumables will be imported. The consumables repository will list the consumables that were imported. So the next step is to upload the consumable batch certificates if you need to. To upload the batch certificates in bulk, click here. Then you need to name the files in this format, batchnumber.pdf. If you have the same batch numbers with different diameters, name them batchnumber_diameter.pdf. Click Browse, select the files, and then the files get matched with the appropriate batch number. If a file doesn't match the data, it will be ignored. If a batch number already has a certificate, you will see duplicate for that file name, and it will be ignored too. Click Upload Files, and then you'll start seeing paper clips appear, indicating that the files have been uploaded to those relevant consumables. Click on the paperclip icons to open the files stored securely in the online repository. This article has guided you through managing welding consumables in WeldTrace, including adding, importing, editing, and uploading batch certificates. For more information, refer to related articles on consumable management and project setup.